Hello everybody, welcome to Road to Manhood. My name is John Moses. I'm super stoked. My fiance gets it for my birthday. An aesthetic gift for my 2020 Tacoma. Very excited to show you guys. I'm gonna give you guys a quick glimpse and show you guys how I saw this new grill for my baby Yoda. All right guys, this is it. This is my birthday present. I'm so excited. Let's open this up. Jenny ordered this pretty awesome product from Cutting Edge Off-Road. Amongst the mounds of customizable options in color and design, they offer a never rust guarantee and warranty such as 5-year structural, 3-year finish, and a 1-year LED light. That's right, LED option. Hey, damn bro, that looks sick. 10mm boys. Installation for this is cake and about 30 minutes max. A ratchet wrench, standard drill, needle nose pliers, flat head, and a pop out tool is pretty much all you really need. Alright, so the majority of these are going to be clips, but the most tricky part is the sensors, right? So the grill that I got has already a hole for the sensor, has like a built-in space, so we got to make sure that we're actually appropriating that accordingly. Also, the grill that I got, the bumper that I have is actually in line to where it doesn't get in the way of any of those. So let's hope this goes as planned. And that, my friends, is a sensor. The rest of it was again pretty cut and dry. After just a couple screws and a few clips, we were ready to remove the OEM grizzle. The new grill actually fit like butter. Each screw fit into place and it would secure quite nicely. It's nice when everything just fits. That sensor though. As long as I make the sensor as straight as possible, it's not going to be really an issue. Some of the videos that I've seen in the past, that's really what they saw, where the sensor was collaborated, but it wasn't very straight. I'm just messing around, guys. Cutting Edge hooks us up. This sensor was nice and flush, no issues, not having to make any sort of adjustments or measurements. It just fell right in. After securing the sensor and securing and making sure everything is nice and tight, it was just all about putting everything back into place and setting it all up. And by this time, if you forgot, the bottom part of the grill is held on only by clips. Don't be scared to give it some love and push that right back in there. It'll be alright, guys. Also, your sensors, can't forget that. And make sure you put your screws back in there, because if you don't, that's just straight negligence. Most of y'all know I'm more about utility than looks. But damn, this came out sick. And it gave it an aggressive look that I was looking for. My girl did good. Thank you all for tuning in. Like and subscribe to be a part of the Road to Manhood community. You can check out some more videos on some upgraded mods on my Tacoma, some gear review, or feel free to snag a few tips from our past adventures. To old friends and new, peace.